forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Okay guys, we are in Fontana, Waterloo. We are looking for furniture and house accessories, and so this is what we can see. Some nice things in here. Nice stuff. Nice things. Guys, this is what I like, this. I love this. Probably at my price range, but it's nice. I love this. Price of it was $5,099 combo. So what else? There's lots of different home stuff in here. Yeah. This is nice. This is nice. Nice. And this too. Love this. I love this. I like these. You today? $2,599. So nice though. Accessories. I love accessories. Yeah. So, okay, oh, see guys, this is up my street. These are the things I love. Cushions. Yeah. And more accessories, some really nice lighting stuff as well. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. So we're really just looking for stuff to furnish our home with. I've got my mask on guys, so if you can't hear me properly, I'm sorry, but we're just looking for stuff to furnish our home with. We need some large pieces of furniture, dining tables, maybe a new couch, but we also need some accessories as well, you know, to brighten up the place. Yeah. So this is nice. So Outlaw showed me something here that he's seen. You like this one, babe? Yeah, nice lighting stuff. Love this, people. This one's another one I like. Yeah, it's really nice. How much? Can we find the price, please?
Let me see.
$24,500. What is it? Was it okay? Same, $24,899. Nice one. I like that. He likes this. Not really my style. That's big. It's huge.
Yeah, yeah.
It's huge. First upside down, people, but it's $39,499. So expensive, people, for life. Guys, they've got lovely stuff. They've got lovely stuff in here from Fontana, but it's not cheap. I'll tell you that. Nice things, but it's not cheap. More little bits there. And then you have some artwork. Oh, that's nice. I love this. I love this. Look at these people. Look at this painting. I would love this in my living room or in my house somewhere. How nice is that? Is there a price? Even I'm going to see if I can find a price. Babe, is there a price on it? The price on, I'll look on the side. Yeah, here. To the bottom. The bottom of the second one. How much is it?
$7,000.
How much?
$7,000.
7,000.
$8,000.
Oh, okay, it's about $8,000.
Yeah.
That's about £40. Not bad, I don't think. $7,000. I think that's good. Beautiful though. Yeah. Yeah. And then different lighting. Not lighting, mirrors. That's a nice big piece, center mirror. Yeah. So this is Fontana Waterloo, the new one.
Nice mirrors.
More, yeah. See, more mirrors. I love this one as well. I love these. Families. So you can see these guys, one bag of things. This is what he needs to buy me.
What? Oh, $1.
One bag of wifey things.
Ah, hit the nail on the head.
One bag of wifey things. You see this bag?
Get to the point.
Alright.
See, that's no way you have to buy. That's what
Look at this one. Not cloth bag, you know.
Just come
Glass
down, you have to buy.
bag.
Put it in a bag and go drop it off.
Boss
Right,
lady.
this is it.
But
Let's
this
give
is
her
my
the
one. One bag of things. 6,000.
Boss lady.
Look a little bit. We've got quite a lot in here.
Mike, it's what it's on.
Some more house stuff here. Here, little accessories and stuff here. Little bathroom accessories and stuff. This one, I like this one. The automatic soap dispenser.
Yes.
Yeah. 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 Things. I love these guys. I've been looking for these for a long time.
These?
Yeah. When I used to live in England, in the UK, I used to have quite a lot of these in my house, and I used to put them like in the bathroom to put like all like your lotions and your soaps and stuff. And in my living room on my TV unit, I used to put like all the remote controls and the CDs in here, like a tidy to keep things nice and tidy. No clutter. I don't like clutter. I like everything, but these are what I like. Some bigger ones at the top there. So I love these. I know we can get these in the UK for quite cheap, so I can imagine how much they are right here. The price, people, 1,699 each. But I really like them. But yeah, Fontana Waterloo, yeah, great place. They do great stuff. Pricey, but they do really nice stuff. Yeah, pricey. Really little laundry bits and pieces. Yeah. Yeah. Keep my mask on really. And then guys, you've got all your towels, every colour you can think of. Towels, bedding and stuff. Yeah. Nice. Bedding. Make sure you don't sit on the bed, babes. No sitting. But you can feel me. Oh, it feels nice. Yeah. The nice. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. That bad. And then you got your curtains and your drapes. Here's that same thing again in silver. Silver one's bad, isn't it? And then these are nice for outside.
Yeah.
Put this on. Yeah. Look at this one. We love this. We love him because he first loved us. 1 John 4:19. How nice is that? I would definitely buy this and put it up in my house. Nice reminder. For all those fabulous ladies out there, good morning, gorgeous.
People don't forget.
The Lord is my strength and my shield. Yeah, I would definitely come and get some of these.
Me too.
Yeah. I want a picture. I like this. I like this one. It's nice. Yeah. This one. This is a price. US 3,350 US. This is nice. It's nice. This is nice. The velvet feel. I'll show the price of this one. But on the other side, is it? Where? How much is it? Let's see, people. Do you like this one? I like this one. This bed. See how much it is. People, let's see how much. Remember, this is in US. Let me see. 5,500 US. Nice, I like the materials now. This one's nice. This is good for our family. Very nice. Look at the smaller one. But these ones, I like these. Look at the price. 12,900. I see these are sensitive ones. It's nice. It's different, isn't it? Come on, it's different. Okay. We're not really here for bathroom stuff, but while we're here, let's just have a look. We're really looking for like dining table and couch, bed. But I wouldn't mind one of these people. Yeah, this would do nice in my house. What do you say, babe? What do you say?
Here you go.
Okay, people, 189,000. Jacuzzi there. Nice. Smart toilet. Smart toilet. Okay. This is nice, people. I like this. This is deep blue. It's quite nice. Yeah, it does. Let's see how much it is. Yeah, 219,000. This is nice. I like this. Different kind of colour. Not the kind of colour I'd usually go for, but you know what? It could work. Yeah. Definitely. Here. I like this one as well. It's smaller than what we have, I think, but the kind of colour that I'm looking for. Grey. Let's see how much this one is. I think this is the bigger of the two. It's 89. Grey. I guess that's, I don't know, like a 3-seater, I guess. This is a 2-seater. You see the price. 69,000. Some beautiful lights here as well. I really love lights. I love lighting. Love lighting. I love this one. 86,900. I love that. This is nice as well. Love this. 74,000. People, I think I need to take out a mortgage to pay for all of this lovely furniture that I'm seeing. Because, yeah, it is so expensive. It is really expensive. This is another nice kind of sofa set. A bit light. You know, you have to be wary. Light colours, especially with kids around. Let's just have a look. So the smaller one, nearly 200,000. Oh, yeah, and the bigger one, 209,000. More lasting. Look at this one, people. This bed. What is it? Is that a bed bed? Is that, or is that a picture? Let's have a look. Look at this. It's different, isn't it? Oh, it is a bed head. Maze Queen Head Board Wood. 59,900. That's different, people. Look at this. Different kind of style. I'm not sure what I think about that, but it's creative. I give them that. It's very creative. Loads of lights. There's things here that I see I like, but I'm not sure. This is nice. This is something there. I'm looking for something like this. A corner unit or a L sofa, whatever they call it. This is what I like. Yeah, this alone. Yeah, I like this. I really like this one. What do you think, guys? You see the price? Hold on. The price there. 439,500.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.